Here we go. Welcome to your weekend. I'm meteorologist Jeff Matthews, your host. And don't forget, you can get your forecast live at 5:55 on live stream. You can also get more weather at 6:05 on Periscope. And if you take that information, you can plug it into your Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr feeds. You know you're socially friendly, and so am I. And don't forget, if you follow me at CNY Jeff Matthews on Twitter, you get immediate weather updates. On Instagram, photography, but also some mid-range information. Things like maybe like a Tuesday snowstorm, that kind of thing. And Tumblr allows you to have information on Weathertainment itself. Now let's get started because we have a lot of weather to talk about. By late Saturday evening, it'll get into the low 40s. It will not drop off at night and keep climbing Sunday morning to the upper 40s. But then Sunday afternoon, it will plummet. The winds will have picked up and the temps will go sub-freezing very quickly Sunday evening so that whatever precipitation has fallen will begin to freeze and whatever's left in the skies will change back over to snow. So keep that in your mind for Sunday evening travel into Monday morning. Then it will stay cold for all of next week, the warmest being Tuesday. Okay? But it's cold enough for snow every day next week. We start the weekend with snow Friday night going to freezing rain and rain Saturday morning. It peters out Saturday afternoon, but then Sunday morning, rain, Sunday afternoon, rain to snow, and that winds down Sunday evening. The temps turn much colder Sunday evening, and the Tug Hill on Monday could pick up a half a foot of snow easily, and the rest of us pick up accumulating snow on Tuesday. Here's a storm that's bringing us all of the wacky weekend weather, taking over from the high that's moving off the coast and getting squished by this tropical depression in January? Yes, as that moves through the shipping lanes and towards Bermuda. But another thing you point out here is, look at all the cloud cover. Just heavy clouds. No real chance for sunshine here for the next 5 or 6 days. A lot of precipitation, too. And as this storm follows to our west, it looks like it'll be a lot of wet, but there is some white involved at the beginning and at the end. You can already see here on the leading edge, as it moves into Friday night colder air, how it's turning over to snow. But the warm air will win the day Saturday morning and afternoon with a changeover. And then Sunday evening, the trailing cold front that you can see here by the difference between the rain to the east and the snow to the north and west will pivot through and switch it back over again quickly Sunday evening to wet snow and frigid temperatures beyond there. So, when I talked about how the clouds would begin to increase and we'd see the multiple types of precipitation breaking out Friday evening with snow, sleet, and then rain into Saturday morning, that's exactly what is winding up happening. And on the front end of it, an inch or two north of the thruway from Rome and Speculator on towards Lake Placid, where they'll actually pick up 3 to 5 inches of the white stuff. May never change over there. But for the rest of us, coating maybe up to an inch up to the thruway before it begins to accumulate a little more north of the thruway. Meanwhile, Friday's high, nailed it. Low was a little colder than I thought. Forecast details next.
Welcome to Intermission. Yeah, Intermission.
Welcome back. So the forecast is kind of a progression of events, and we reverse it on Sunday. So, for Saturday, it's ice early on, then rain mid-morning through early afternoon, which peters out to a drizzle. The drizzle and fog persist through the evening hours, high late in the day or in the evening hours actually at 42. Doesn't drop off at night. 40. Fog. Rain returns after midnight. And then the reverse process on Sunday. Rainy, snow towards evening, with a high in the morning hours of 48, but it'll plummet late in the day, very rapidly towards the freezing mark with a changeover. A half a foot of Tug Hill snow for Monday. The rest of it's just a few flurries. The wind isn't quite right for the Mohawk Valley, so it'll be overcast and colder. And notice, the nighttime low Sunday night does not climb much Monday, and it stays cold. Tuesday, we all get in on at least several inches of snow, and then lake effect bands will set up, it looks like, for Wednesday, Thursday, into Friday morning. We'll just have to wait and see if those bands turn into the Mohawk Valley as we get closer to that time frame. But in the short term, we've got a sloppy weekend, and it ends on a bitter cold note Sunday evening. Have a great weekend regardless.